Well, hello everyone. This is the recap of the Nailing FX session that I just completed. So let's get right down to it. Again, I'm coming to you from Bien Hoa, Dong Nai province in Vietnam. The session started at 10 a.m. my time, 4 a.m. in London, and Tuesday evening, 11 p.m. on the East Coast. To get the information that I made available in this session, in the session I completed, send me an email to fxopabert@gmail.com. All right, next week, my live session will be on Wednesday, the 26th, 10 a.m., and that'll be a YouTube session from Trade with UFOs. Make sure that you go to www.tradewithufos.com/OPA. Sign in, costs nothing, and you'll be able to see all the information that's been presented in the past. All right, I need to give a little disclaimer because I did put on a couple of trades today. The following videos, clips, demonstrations are for educational and instructional purposes only. Tradicta provides these videos purely for the purpose of demonstrating a method of using the product. Users understand that all the content used in the video is purely for demonstration purposes only and is not a guide and does not provide any indication or prediction of actual results. As a user, you understand and agree that hypothetical results obtained through the demonstration do not indicate in any way the results you may receive by using the products and techniques I demonstrate. All right, today's session, I did a quick review of the zebra alert for those of you that may have forgotten or new to the sessions. Expanded on the 1, 2, 3 reversal, showed you expanded trading channels, the TMA bands, okay? And we correlated a little bit with the trading view, not too much, but a little bit. And we did find a couple of trades. So here's the quick review of the alert. You can see that when the alert comes in, you use that alert to find the confirmation. Once you've got a confirmation, then you can go ahead and see where the positions might go. All right, and we also had the sell alert confirmation, similar. Again, look back in the recorded sessions. We went into a lot of detail about this in previous sessions. Here again is the reversal pattern that we are using when these blue and red arrows show up on a chart. Here you can see we have the alert coming in, and here's a blue arrow. The significance of these arrows is that they not only show you where the 1, 2, 3 reversal is, but if you project those over, and you can see project over, there are conditions that can be met for scaling into a trade and also for adjusting stops. So those are the 1, 2, 3 reversal. Watch the review. Okay, here is the multiple time frame H1, H4 channel. You can see the H1 channel, the 1 hour channel, oscillates basically inside of the 4-hour channel, and it becomes significant when the this channel band, the 4-hour band, is from this magenta line down to the dotted magenta, and you can see the red band of the 1 hour is from the red line down to the dotted red line. Similarly, down at the bottom, when the 1 hour band traverses into the 4-hour band, there's a good indication that there may be an opportunity to take a reversal trade. The trend may be changing. This is what it looks like. We can see here when price action actually moves through the 1 hour band into the 4-hour band with an alert. And down here, same type of thing. It's a very significant position that often leads to a change in trend. All right, so that's what that is. Then we went and looked at the trading. Okay, let me get rid of that. We looked at actual trading over here, and so let's go ahead and take a look here. Here is the pound USD. Based on all the criteria that I discussed, I actually put a trade on here. All right, put a trade on here, and so let's take a look. Well, that trade here is at about the 1.3237. 237 is very close to, again, a hard number. Always interesting in a hard number. Here we had the stop up here. It's a 35 pip stop. Here is the target, 55 pip target. Almost a 2-to-1, but significantly better than a 1-to-1. So those were that was that trade here on the pound USD. Let me see, where did I have my other trade here? Here it is on the Euro USD. It's very similar. You can see price coming up here. My stop up here is about 17 pips of stop, and my target is 34. So that's a 2-to-1. Might be a little less than 2-to-1, but those were two trades that we put on during the session this morning. If you haven't been tuning in to those sessions, you're missing a lot of good information, but hopefully you will tune into these sessions in the future, and I'm hoping that these sessions are going to help you with your trading. Again, I've developed a little guide for all this information. Get a hold of me, send me that email at my address there, and I'll send you that information. Have a great week. Looking forward to seeing you next week on YouTube channel, the YouTube Trading with UFOs YouTube channel. So have a great week, and I'll see you then.